Home Remedies presents Home Remedies Memory Boosting Recipe. The secret that few people know. Amnesia is when a person can no longer memorize or recall information that is stored in memory. It is a deficit in memory caused by brain damage or disease, but it can also be caused temporarily by the use of various sedatives. Being a little forgetful is completely different to having amnesia. Amnesia refers to a large-scale loss of memories that should not have been forgotten. In today's video, I will share with you a very simple remedy to treat this. What you have to do: just take 10 raisins with 2 walnuts. Repeat this process daily for best results. Walnut is a unique dry fruit, valuable in countering brain weakness. Polyphenolic compounds found in walnuts not only reduce the oxidant and inflammatory load on brain cells, but also improve interneuronal signaling, increase neurogenesis, and enhance sequestration of insoluble toxic protein aggregates. Raisins are good for your brain because they are excellent source of boron, a trace element that improves hand-eye coordination, attention, and memory. The efficacy of about 20 grams of walnut gets enhanced if taken with 10 grams of raisins every day. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.